Hi, my name is Rheal. I live in Moncton, New Brunswick. Been retired for 20 years. Oh yes, very much so. Our electric bill has dropped. All we're paying for is a variance cost, a meter cost, and a usage cost, which is our bill is, the highest one was $49. The last one this month for the month of April was $37, taxes included. We had just done the roof a couple of years before, so I said, well, it's a good time to do it because the roof was done. And the life expectancy of a roof is 20 years. With solar, it's a little bit better. And it was just time. I think we've just perfect time. Given it to us by the federal government. We approached them when we were looking to it, and they said they had given us a few names of a company and they recommended solar at that time. So we went with them. They aided very much. They gave us all the information. They would tell us what to do, how to go about it, what steps to do. And they were good, very well in the beginning. It went excellent. Could not ask for better. Challenges? No, not really. No challenges. Everything went smooth that way. But the installation, environment-wise, we were looking at environment, and we were looking at electricity costs going up, which is going to go majorly, has gone majorly up in the last 2 years, and expected to go up more. And that's basically why we did it. At the moment, very satisfied. I have no complaints. Let's put it this way. We have a little thing on the phone that tells us how many CO2 that we've saved and how many trees we have planted. And it's surprising. You know, it's like we've already got 100 and some trees in 3 months planted. You know, that went very well. The greener efficiency went very well. The MB power went very well. Once everything was done, we submitted that it was done, the contractor signing off, the electrician signing off, and within, they say 90 days, well, 30 days later, we had our money. I see it's going to be it's good for the environment. It'll be good for the household here. Find out what, like what you want, what your needs, and go from there. Customer service is great because I couldn't understand why we were producing 15 kilowatts maximum, but we were only producing 10 as far as showing on our thing, because the kilowatts are in DC power, then it's converted to AC power, which reduces it down to 10. So I didn't know that. That was something I learned again. I would recommend anybody that wants to be efficient, cost-wise, environmental issue-wise, yeah, get solar panels.